Hey, BW here. Welcome to the very first episode of You Can Do It Lawn Care. Here's what my lawn looked like just 11 days ago, and now here's what it looks like on March 21st. This is new grass that I planted in the fall of last year, and I'm really excited to see how it turns out this year, because I did this to it last year, which resulted in this. But don't worry, I replanted it, and it grew back just fine before the snow came. It's a mixture of Kentucky Bluegrass and perennial ryegrass. Uh-oh, there's a little bit of snow mold there, and in a few other spots too. Here's another one, and it even looks like a squirrel's been digging in there. I put down some fungicide last fall, and it worked pretty well. There aren't very many spots like this around. Okay, let's take a look at the backyard now. The grass close to the garage here is a renovation I did, not this fall, but the previous fall. And that turned out awesome last year. This icy rectangular area here is a renovation I did this last fall, and it hadn't gotten very thick before the winter came. So I'm really hoping that'll thicken up for me this year. I planted 3 of the newer varieties of Kentucky Bluegrass here, Award, Bewitched, and Midnight. Here's a little bit of a close-up. You can see that it has a lot of thickening up to do yet this spring. This big old lawn covers 16,000 square feet and is composed mostly of old common types of Kentucky Bluegrass, fine fescue, and coarse tall fescue. And it's 40 years old, and I've only renovated about 30% of it so far. It'll take me a couple more years to complete the renovation. I'm going to do it in small portions because I don't have automatic irrigation, and doing smaller sections allows me to do a better job of watering the baby grass. I'll be doing another 3,000 to 4,000 square feet of it again this fall. I've done a lot of other smaller seeding and overseeding experiments over the years, using different techniques and different types of grass. I just about know what I want to do now, but I could still change my mind. Over on the side of the house here, I have 1,000 square feet of lawn that I overseeded with perennial ryegrass. It was a really nice dark green color last fall, and it was super dense. There's a little more snow mold over here, but you can see how thick it is and how matted down it's gotten from the snow. There's quite a bit of snow mold in this area. More of it here, and I really don't know why. I used fungicide and I covered the area thoroughly, but here it is anyway. Here's what it looks like up close. It really does look like mold. I bought a Reel Mower for the front and side yards this year, and I know I'm going to have a lot of fun experimenting with that. Well, there you have it, all my crazy plans and everything I have to work with. Hey, don't miss the next video because that's when all the fun starts and I begin my new year of lawn care. But do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell that pops up next to it. That way you won't miss the next video. And remember, don't be afraid, you can do it. Hey, if you like that video, how about giving one of these a try? Right over there.